Page 57. Pronunciation. Exercise 3A. Listen.
Ride,
Pick,
teach,
Now listen and repeat.
ride,
pick,
teach,
Page 57. Pronunciation. Exercise 3B. Listen.
meet,
fishing,
give,
sightseeing,
drive,
beach,
hiking,
swimming,
Now listen and repeat.
meet,
fishing,
give,
sightseeing,
drive,
beach,
hiking,
swimming.
Page 59. Pronunciation. Exercise 3A. Listen.
I'll see you soon. He'll pick you up. You'll need a car.
we'll wait for you. She'll call you later. They'll be here in 10 minutes.
Now listen and repeat.
I'll see you soon. He'll pick you up. You'll need a car.
We'll wait for you. She'll call you later. They'll be here in 10 minutes.
Page 59. Pronunciation. Exercise 3B. Listen. 1,
I'll drive to work.
2,
We'll meet at the restaurant.
3,
They need a ride.
4,
We go to the beach on Sundays.
5,
They'll eat lunch at a cafe.
6,
I get home around 6.
Now listen and repeat.
I'll drive to work.
We'll meet at the restaurant.
They'll eat lunch at a cafe.